I like it. Try, try.
Ganyan ata. Hindi ko sure.
Hindi, may lime yan. Oh.
May lime.
Bit or bread. Same size, same size. That's a little. More. There are a lot of food here.
Oh my God, ang dami. Translate, what's in front of me?
Mamalinis lang.
Guys, kakaiba talaga yung
What's that in the
fried
middle?
chicken
What's that in the middle? Now?
One more.
ng Korea. Juicy siya, malinamnam, hindi siya maalat, at saka napakasarap po. May natural siya na flavor, at saka parang milky yung laman. Hindi siya dry. Kahit yung normal na ano, flavor.
Not chicken, all chicken. I know. Right. Just use your hand. Just use that. Keep eating. That's all you want.
Hello. Napakaganda yung view na dito. Ayun na. Oh.
여기서 먹었거든? 여기서 먹었는데 여기서